Hello everyone. This is the continuation part of the modular robot asset. So as you can see here, I have done some updates regarding the leg part. So you can see the what is going on. I just do this part actually from this angle, from the foot to this angle, and this thigh part, actually this part, or you can say this part. Okay. And also this is quite good visible, this part actually. So yeah, in Pinterest we have a lot of reference, but yeah, it's quite good to have actually. So as you can see, I have 10 references. So they are if I gonna go with one by one, I can say I can show you that this is the foot part, and it has a hinge lock. And this is the cuff part, and this is a gigantic hinge, by the way. This is to join from here to here, and this is the extra part, this one. And this one is going to be the knee, and also you can have this kind of joints, and then the thigh part, this one. So like I said, this is like all is separated, and all you can do it with the modular fashion. We can just use them as a modular option. So like this is the whole leg part, you can say, but I need to work on some part of the knee actually. So it's like obviously this is like this one, and this one. So I just use for this one, I just use this kind of shape. You can see in front of you, this like quite a simple thing, this one and this type of thing. Okay. And also this type of shape, and I come up with you see, this is the thigh part. So I come up with shape like this, and also shape like this. Okay. So when I go there, and if I make it like extrude, and extrude, this part will be like this. Okay. Then what I did is like I just go for two style. One is pop-up style, which is like this shapes will be pop-up, and the other one, as you can see on these legs, these styles is they are like cut inside, something like this. Okay. So yeah, something like this, and also you can find some of them are here. Okay. So as you can see, I just altering this kind of shape. So like here is the example. This two thigh part, as you can see, they are like cut out of the shape, and some of them are popping out from the flat. So it's like it's nothing, it's like just these are individual shapes. Okay. I'm just attaching on them, attaching on the surface to make it like more look like more sci-fi. And these are extrude, inset, and all that things. And this part is a little bit of tricky, because as you can see, let's say this one is a complete part. So let's say I drag one and make one another single part, so you can see this. So yeah, so this one I come up with the final output, final shape. So how can I how I just achieve that? So like I said, this one take the shape like this. Very easy actually. Like your according to your choice or your design, you just do these cutouts and all the things. Okay, and then what you need to do is go for extrusion. Okay, and then make it like editable poly. Go for the bottom part needs to be removed, and yeah, this one needs to be a little bit of scale down. Okay, that's it. And then you have to do is select the borders. Select the borders like this. Okay, select the borders and then make it like scale it, offset it like this. Okay, use the offset like this, and according to your preference or your satisfaction needs, actually how much you want to go. I think this is okay. Looks quite okay. Done. And then make it a cap. See, so finally what you need to do is like this one, the bottom part, and this one is the same, is in same level. I mean what I mean is like this, you can see the same level. So you need to do this a little bit of longer, the border part, and then that's done. Okay, so like this one you can use. After that you can rotate and whatever you're gonna use. So like this one I used in this option, this shape, and it's quite good looking sci-fi effect. Actually, it's inside out. I mean yeah, it's looking so good actually. So two kind of shapes actually I used, nothing much. This is the pop out part. Pop out part is quite easy. Just take this shape and stick it to the surface according to your preference. And then this one is a little bit of tricky, as I showed you. And then finally what I did, according to the leg size, I just increase the foot size quite proportionately. So yeah, so in this way I just come up with 10 variations. So you can see, as you can see, they are actually 10 pieces, but uh, they have a little bit of uh, little bit of changes on them, little bit of difference on them. They are not the same actually, although even the shapes are not same, although the uh, the concept shape is okay. It's like this. What you can do is like, let's say this one and this one. See, see this one and this one, it's like you know, so it's nothing abnormal, nothing you know, kind of like this. And you go to the spline and you know, make it like, oops, I need to convert it with the corner. So yeah, something like that. And then you can with the other shapes and all that, you can do this like you know, let's say the rectangle. Okay, this is the rectangle. So I'm showing you the most uh, uh, easiest way, easiest form, like this. Okay, then you have to, you know, attach sorry, and then you have to rotate them, like I rotate them according to your needs. Okay, done. And then rotate them like this. Okay, that's it. If you're gonna insert that out, okay, that's done. Yeah, that's it, done, something like that. Okay, then you have to attach them, attach them. And then what you need to do is you have to do the outline, sorry, you have to do the trim section, trim. Okay, so you go to the trim, you go to the trim section, and you go to the trim section. Okay, then finally what you have to do, the stitch of the vertex, the weld of the vertex actually, so weld it properly. And then you can do manually by this curve, this kind of curve, something like that, something like that, something like like that. And this one is something like that. And even you come up with some chamfer. This one is the chamfer. So even if you the corner part should be, you know, make it more look like sci-fi, something like that. So yeah, after you do that, that is your outer shape, and that is your inner shape. You just come up with this. And yeah, if you can do extrude, that is your shape. So yeah, in this process, I just use this method and come up with these 10 pieces of leg, final pieces. So I hope you just enjoyed my journey, and you are enjoying it. And my goal is to make I just completed the leg part, and some of the knee part I need to do, and also finally the hip part. I need to do the hip part, and then the body part, finally the body part and upper parts and all the things. So it's a long way to go. So please stick with me, and it is going to be a very good journey. So if you have anything, don't hesitate to ask me. I can be proud to be you know, kind of like if I can help you, I'll be proud. And so thank you. I will come with another one in a short period of time. Thank you very much. Keep watching and keep sharing my channel, and keep supporting my Facebook page, Opu Art. Thank you.